Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to understand how we can use link component of Next.js to make hyperlinking as we do in HTML by using anchor tag, a tag that we are going to understand. In previous video also I have used this link component for navigation purpose to create a navbar, but on that time I have not explained link component in detail. Now I am going to explain it in detail way. So this is a video number 21. In this video we are going to learn how to use link component for navigation or linking web pages. Let's go to the project. Here in component folder, I just create one more new component. I say links like this .tsx. Here I say RAFCE. Here I'm creating this link component. This link component I'm going to insert in my main page, page.tsx, that is under the app directory. So here I link this. I say links like this way. I am just inserting this. If you will see that, I refresh it, you will see that we have link here. Remember that this is the link component which I have inserted. So I'm going to explain how you can create such kind of link like this, such kind of link how you can create with the help of link component. So open this links and here under this div tag you can do like this. Suppose I want to use a home, I want to connect to home. If you use HTML you will like this href, and in HTML you will write like this and then you will say home. So this is the syntax for HTML. Remember that. So I go there and I refresh it. You see that home is there, and if I click here then it will go to home. So it's same like a tag we are using in HTML, same. So similar to this, suppose I create one more and I say I have about, and I say here about like this, and you will see that we have about also. I click on this, then about page is working. Then I click on home. You see already I am on home page, that's why it's not coming to this, but we are click on about and about page is opening, you see. So this is the anchor tag. Remember that simple one. Just in place of this anchor tag you have to write link like this, and this is from the next link that you have to use. So here we need to use link. So in place of a we have to replace the link, because a is a HTML tag and link is a Next.js component. So we have to use Next.js component in place of anchor tag. Remember that. So this is the link tag, and in place of this home I say product, and here I say product, and you will see that product is there. If I click on this we go to product page, and if I click on about then it go to about page. That means these links are working perfectly. Now question arises that suppose I click on about and I click on here back page. So I am able to go to my home page, you see. Then I click on product and I click on back page, then I am able to go back to the previous page which I am opening here. Remember that this is the one because it's a home page. Suppose if I say property replace here with that link, it's a replace one, and if I click on about button then it go to about, and I click on back, you see it going on service but it not going on about, you see it not, I'm not able to go about on all the pages, you see. So once again you see that if I click on product, no problem, I click back and I go to home page. Why? Because it's my home page in my website, so I'm able to go back to my home page. But if I click on about, then I'm replacing the URL. That means the history of this URL is replaced by this. If I click back, you see I am not able to go back on my home page. Remember that I am not going on home page, it going on service page by default, but it replacing. Once again you see that if I click on product and I click on back button, then I'm able to go back on my home page, no problem at all. But if I click on about page and I click back, so you see I am not able to go back on home page. I am going to service or some other URL inside this. Remember that. It may be different for your system, but we are not able to go back. Why? Because we are replacing the URL history. Remember that. So when we are replacing the history, that means we are not going back. We want to avoid, we want to overwrite the current link. That's why we are not going to the previous link. If I say replace in property here with link component. Remember that. So this is all about the single item which we want to display. But if we want to display multiple link like this, we have, suppose this link we want to make, and we want to make a navigation type of thing. So how we can do that? For that, we can create a object. I say here const, I say my link, and here I just create an array. Inside an array I create an object, and here I say name of the link. So I say first one is home, then I say link of this, or I can say href also if I want, otherwise I can say link, and here I say first one is root, no problem. Then I repeat this multiple time. So here I say comma, and here I write comma, and second one is product, and I say product. Then this one is I say service, and here I say service. Okay, so this is the multiple way to make this linking with the help of map function. So I'm creating an object in which we have an array. We have this property name and link. You can give any name, whatever you want. I'm just showing you how you can do this. This array is ready for linking purpose. Now I make it comment because I want multiple link now. Then I create this type of thing. I say my link dot map, and here I want item, and here I want to return, and I say here li, remember that, and I need to use ul also here. So I say ul because I want to show in a listing format like this. This is done here. Now here I use link component. So I say link, I say href equal to, here I say item dot link here, and I close it, and I say here item dot name like this, and here I provide key also. So I say key equal to, I can give anything. So I say item dot name because name is also unique, and I save like this, and you will see that we have the listing here. If I click on this product, we go to product. If I click on service, then go to service. Everything is working fine here, but I have to display this in a line just to show like this navigation. For that I can do like this. I say class name because I'm using here Tailwind. So I say flex here. Try to see, you see we have this, and I try to give some spacing also. So I say m2 spacing I'm providing here, and we have this. But between this we need a spacing, so I need to pass spacing here also because the linking we have. I provide class name here. So I say class name, and here I say m2 because I want to pass some spacing here. You see spacing is there. Now they are looking just like this. I click on service, we go to service, click on product, we go to product, click on home, then already we are on home. That means it is working perfectly just like this, and you see that we are able to make it like a navigation bar. So like this way you can use link component in Next.js to make your navigation bar or linking your components which you want to show on your web page. And you see that there is a one problem here right now in this navigation. If I click on product is selected and it show like a active link. If I click on about, then about is also showing like a active link. But here you see if I click on anything, it not showing like a active link, and still it is not coming on each and every pages. Why? Because for that we have to put it on a layout. So I just add it on a layout and I show you that. So I remove it from here because it is not showing like a navigation here. So I remove it from here also. I open now a layout file, and already I have navigation here in this layout file, but I am also showing link one to show you that the difference between this, like this we are using it, and we go here, you see it's working. And now if I click on home, you see that home is coming inside this. If I click on service, service is coming. If I click on home, home is coming. But remember that here we have an active link, but here we do not have an active link. So how we can set this active link, that we are going to learn in the next video. So in this video we have learned how to use link component for hyperlinking purpose in Next.js. I think now you understand how to use it. If you understand this, if you like my video, please help me to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.